Allah likes those things which are consistently and regular, even if it is small. Consistent. So this is the acronym Islamic, better than the management gurus who talk about SMART. And most of the management gurus, they give the example of goal setting of Wilma Rudolph. You may not have heard of Wilma Rudolph. Unless you're in the management, you'll know the example of Wilma Rudolph. Who was Wilma Rudolph? Wilma Rudolph, in the 1930s and 40s, she was a girl who was born with polio. In a young age, she had polio. So the doctor said she was wearing braces. And the doctor said she cannot set her foot on the ground. She will never be able to walk in a full life. Young girl, few years old, having the braces. But a mother told Wilma that whatever you want, you think you can do it. Forget what the doctors say. Whatever you desire, you think about it and you'll achieve it. So Wilma says she wants to become the fastest woman on the face of the earth. Imagine polio, having braces. Doctors say she can't put foot on the ground and she wants to become the fastest woman to run. So at the age of 9, she removes the braces. At the age of 13, she takes part in the first race and she comes out last. Later on, she's persistent. She's so much persistent that in 1960, she takes part in Olympics. And she gets the gold medal in 100 meters dash, 200 meters, and 400 meters. She becomes the first woman in the history of the world who's paralytic, and she becomes the fastest woman in the world. Not only in 100 meters, also in 200 meters, also in 400 meters. She does a world record because the mother gave her courage and she followed. And if we let's analyze the Islamic goal setting. That was the goal as for the Islamic Sharia? Not very much. S. Is it specific? Yes, specific. She wanted to be the fastest woman in the world. L. Lucrative? Yes. Lucrative for this world. She'll get very famous. Fastest woman in the world. Lucrative. Very lucrative in this world. Akhirah? No. A. Was it apt? Apt for her in this dunya, but not akhirah. Was it measurable? Yes, measurable. She knew the timing. Who was the fastest woman before? Whether 9 seconds plus or 10 seconds plus, whatever it is. It's measurable. I, intention. What was the intention? Was it to please Allah? I don't think so. Maybe she wanted to be called the fastest woman in the world. C, was she consistent? Yes, she was consistent. She was consistently fighting for her goal until she achieved it. Now, if you compare this, it may not be fully Islamic goal setting the way we are doing.